This video will walk you through installing your L-TWOO electronic rear derailleur. Take a 5mm hex key, insert it straight into the derailleur hanger screw hole, and tighten clockwise to secure the derailleur. Once tight, the stopper plate should sit flush against the hanger stop. The derailleur should have no obvious axial wobble and rotate relative to the hanger. Battery installation. Align the battery's fixed end with the derailleur's battery slot. Then press down the battery latch to lock it in. Route the chain through the inner side of the chain guide as shown in the diagram. Thank you for watching this video.